Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make an intro on Kinemaster. So if you guys want to learn how to make an intro for your YouTube channel, this is the video for you. But before we get into the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I post a video. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is look for an animated background on YouTube. Animated background is just something that's gonna make your intro much interesting than just a normal background. So an animated background is gonna add more animation to it, which makes it cool. You're gonna search it up. Then there's many options for you to choose from. So there's many that can describe your channel. I chose mine right here, as you can see. You're gonna go ahead and press the share button, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and press it. And then you're gonna go ahead and press copy link. So you're just gonna be copying the link from the video. Then we're gonna go on to Google and search for a YouTube converter. This will make the video that you just picked get into your gallery so you can use it. So you're gonna go ahead and press the first website that pops up. I use this website. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I like using it. I'm more trustable. So you're gonna go ahead and press MP4, and then you're gonna paste the link you just copied. I'm gonna go ahead and convert it, and then it should be loading. It doesn't take that long for it to load though. As you can see, the title of the video should be right there, and then you're gonna go ahead and download it. If it doesn't pop up, then do not download it because something went wrong. Once it's downloaded, it should be right there on your download screen. And then once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and look for the subscribe and the mouse cursor PNGs so you can use it for the subscribe little clip. So I'm gonna right here, I'm searching for it, and I'm gonna pick some of the subscribe buttons, and I'm gonna go ahead and download them. As you can see, I downloaded it, and then you'll do the same for the mouse cursor, as you can see. Then we're gonna go ahead and download a mouse click sound effect. Just press the website and download it. And now we're gonna go on YouTube and search for some intro music for our intro, because it is very important to have some good music for your intro. So once you search it up, there should be tons of options to choose from, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick one of them. So there's a video. So once you have the video, you're gonna do the same process. Just copy it, go to the website, but instead of MP4, you're gonna do MP3 and download it. Now we're back on Kinemaster, and we're gonna go ahead and press media, go to download, and press the background we want to use from the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim it to the part of the video I want to use. So this takes a little bit of time, but it's pretty easy to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and trim it. Okay guys, so I'm trimming it right now. So I'm just going to make it precise. Now I have trimmed it, and if you want to make the intro a little longer, you can duplicate it, but just know the duplicate for me right now will be necessary, even though I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to delete it soon once I add the music, but that's how, if you want your little background to be longer, you just duplicate it. But yeah, after you do that, you're going to go ahead and go to audio. At the side, you're going to go ahead and press the thing you just downloaded, the audio you used from the YouTube video, and you're just gonna trim it to the part where the song is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. You're gonna lower the volume of the background, because you only want the music to be the main sound. So once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and trim it to the part you want to do, and it should be the sound. As you guys can't hear it, but it is there, and the music is right there. But yeah. And then you're just going to trim it as long as the background. Then you're going to go ahead and press text and add the title of your YouTube channel as your intro. I'm just going to put Andrea X Galaxy because this is my channel. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger, add the font and the color and everything to make it nice. So I'm going to go ahead and add glow and outline, because it makes it really nice, because it makes it glow like a light, which I really like. And then you can add your animations like pop, as you can see, I'm just going to press pop because it's the classical one. And I really like it for some reason. Then the overall can just be a floating, just a little floating. And for the out, you can just press anywhere you want it for like the text to go out of the frame. I'm going to press snap inward. And once I have that, I'm going to make it as long as I want the text to be. It should look something like that. And yeah, it should look something like that. And once you have that, you're going to go ahead and plan out for your little clip. I made it a little longer because I had a little more time. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my subscribe clip, which is where I'm going to do a little subscribe thing. So you're going to go ahead and press images, download on, and then you're going to go ahead and frame it into the frame. So you're going to go ahead and make it a little bigger, crop it a little bit. You're going to go ahead and make it as long as you want, but it has to fit into the intro frame. And now we're going to go ahead and press our in-up animation. I'm just going to make it pop open, or yeah, pop up. And then we're going to go ahead and do that. Make sure it looks smooth and everything. And then once we have that, we're going to go ahead and do the same with the mouse cursor. So we have our mouse cursor. This is a little complicated part. So just going to put instead of putting the mouse cursor where, where it normally goes, put it at the corner right there. As you can see, I am doing. And then don't add any animations. So we're going to press it and make it as long as the subscribe button, but a little shorter at the beginning. And you're going to press your mouse cursor. Press the key over there at the side, as you can see the key. And go ahead and press it. You're going to go ahead and press the key. And you're going to go ahead and press the plus sign. And then move the mouse up to the subscribe button. And then press OK. And it should make it animated in a different way. So that will make it really nice. So it looks like the mouse cursor is going to go ahead and click it. I do this a lot. And it is a little complicated, but once you learn a little bit more, it's really hard to explain, but I hope that kind of helped. I'm going to go ahead and press the click sound. You're going to make that a little more louder than the music you're using for the intro, so you hear the click and the little, sound effect. So we're going to make the volume a little higher than the music so you can hear it, but you can't really hear it. So yeah, so I'm just making some extra details here. And once you have done all that, that's basically the end of the intro. But if you want to add a little transition, you can just add one of these backgrounds pictures. I'm going to do white. I'm going to put it at the side. And we're going to do the same key thing. The key thing is the same thing. We're just going to make it go. So we're going to go ahead and make it to the side. And we're going to go ahead and do it. As you can see, this is just optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is just a little smooth transition you could do to get onto the video after the intro. But you don't have to do this. I just like doing it because it makes the intro much smoother for me. So if it isn't smooth for you or you just don't want to do it, you don't have to. It's very optional. But after everything, it should look like something like this. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I post a video. And don't be sure to comment down below what you want to see from me, because I really need some video ideas. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Give me your